Hello everyone! We're finally almost done with this sunscreen and I need to switch to a new one. Do you have any recommendations? Today, I still want to use an air cushion to apply makeup, spreading the liquid highlighter evenly and painting the liquid contour on the side of my face. Then open it. The one I'm wearing today is the style. The sunset orange flower is this kind of fine black edging paired with a pinkish yellow inner circle, and this brand is very popular on Instagram. I feel very comfortable wearing it myself. I have dark eyes, but after putting it on, it gives me this natural light colored look. Does it have a slight mixed blood feel? Then I can rest assured to get my nose fixed. Otherwise, I really can't see clearly. I really need to go get glasses. And I easily get eye fatigue when using them normally. The difference in diopters between my left and right eyes is too great. The nostrils above should also be drawn on the bridge of the nose. Still using this setting powder compact. Use this dark eyebrow powder to draw eyebrows. I found that using this kind of blade brush specifically for drawing eyebrows is really effective. It creates a look with each hair clearly defined. Then still this white, just to make the eyelid area cleaner. Then again, still this apricot color. For those with very low saturation, boldly apply color, and then use this one to cover a large area on the eyelid. Then use the cinnamon shade to deepen the crease of the double eyelid and the lower eyelid. Use this dark shade in small areas to deepen the outer corners of the souches and blending in circles at the outer corners of the eyes like this. First, brush and dip the smallest details with the darkest color from before. Deepen the lower eyelid down to here. Here at the inner corner of the eye, we need to be as vertical as possible to this contact surface. Then still use the blade brush to dip into the eyeliner powder. When drawing to this outer corner of the eye, don't lift it upwards yet. We'll attach the double eyelid tape first, then adjust ours based on this new eye shape. The outer corner of the eye also starts from the exact top of the outer edge of the eyeball and pulls downward. For the inner eyeliner, I still use a black eyeliner gel pencil. Then blend it down slightly and try applying mascara. Deepen the cinnamon color on the lower eyelid. And for the tear troughs, I still dip these two colors on my hand. Adding lower eyelashes, then setting the eyelashes.